Welcome to Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays, where we give you tips on keeping your vehicle safe and well maintained.
Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays. Check your tire pressure regularly. Tire pressure is something which you should not ignore or delay. Tires are one of the most important components of your car for safety, efficiency, and comfort. Getting in the habit of checking the tires regularly will help you save time and money. Your tire pressure, wheel balance, and regular tire rotation will help you have a comfortable and safe drive. Your tires will last quite a bit longer, and you can easily add air and check the pressure yourself. If you are not in the habit of checking on your car tires, you can start by setting a monthly date to come in and see one of our specialists at Crown Auto Sales and Leasing Service Department. Call 704-247-9288 to set up an appointment today.
Thanks for watching Crown's Quick Tip Tuesdays, brought to you by Crown Auto Care Service Center, Charlotte's leader in automotive repair.